Hello guys, my name is Yash. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn about Applet and its life cycle. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Also, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe so that you don't miss any updates. An applet is a Java program that can be embedded into a web page. It runs inside the web browser and works at client side. An applet is embedded in HTML page using the applet or object tag and hosted on web server. Applets are used to make the website more dynamic and entertaining. This is the life cycle of an applet. When an applet begins, methods are called in sequence as. When an applet is terminated, methods are called in sequence as. Let's understand these methods. The init method is the first method to be called. This is where you should initialize variables. This method is called only once during the runtime of your applet. Init method is called once, that is when the first time an applet is loaded. Whereas start method is called each time an applet's HTML document is displayed on screen. So if a user leaves a web page and comes back, the applet resumes execution at start method. The paint method has one parameter of type graphics. This parameter will contain the graphics context, which describes the graphics environment in which applet is running. The stop method is called when a web browser leaves the HTML document containing the applet. It is invoked when applet is stopped or browser is minimized. The destroy method is called when the environment determines that your applet needs to be removed completely from memory. Displaying dynamic web pages of web application, playing sound files, displaying documents, playing animations, etc. If you like this video, share it with your friends and also don't forget to like.